Alright, so welcome back to another video. This is like day number, I don't know, 3 or 4 working on this thing, but since I got this truck completely pulled apart, I'm not going to start pulling these doors apart because I need the windows and everything out of them. So these doors are for something else, but I will be using all this stuff in there, and I have new seals for everything, but I just got to get these apart so that way these doors can get moved out of the way, and then I can start putting the stuff back in those doors once this is painted. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start ripping these things apart because I've never done it before, so I don't know how long it's gonna take me. I don't know how hard it is to get the windows out of this thing, so you guys are gonna learn with me. So I'm gonna just go ahead. So obviously we had the handle that we just unbolted from there, and then all of these just kind of bolt on top. The window vent window was actually the easiest one to get out, but it's not relatively hard to take these things apart. Apparently, I didn't know how hard it was going to be. I heard people say it's a pain. It's actually not. That's probably the easiest door I've ever taken apart. I've taken a lot of doors apart. That's definitely by far the easiest one that I've ever done. So they are not hard. If anybody tells you they're hard, they're not. So it took me 10 minutes maybe to get that completely apart. So, well, I'm gonna move all this stuff, tape up my bolts, and make sure everything stays together, label it, and then I'm gonna move on to the next one. Always label your parts so you don't lose anything. And I'll move on to the next one. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, for some whatever odd reason, my phone quit recording, but I did get this one completely taken apart. It's all out, done, ready to go. So these doors are now able to get out of here, and I will clean up the windows. I'll start putting the new seals on the vent windows and taking care of some of that, cleaning it up, getting it ready. And then I think some of this stuff I'm gonna repaint because it's looking kind of crusty, so I might kind of go at it and repaint most of it, but I have a bunch of stuff that I'm getting ready to take to powder coat to start, and I have the air conditioning vents for you guys that might not know what this is. These go in a kick panel, and it basically allows air to come into the cab as like a form of AC. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill these out, split them, so that way I can get those powder coated. Because the seal in them is kind of crusty and breaking, so I kind of want to put a new seal on them anyway. So I think I'm gonna drill all those rivets out so that way I can split them, take them powder coat, and bring them back, make my own seal, put it in there, and then get them ready to go back in the truck. So I think I'm gonna clean this stuff up and then get started on that. So bear with me. All right, so this is what I'm talking about here. We got a bunch of, I got about 6 rivets I got to take off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. Split this from this side so that way I can replace this like a piece of foam, because it's all, you see it's kind of all ripped up here. So, and I want to get these powder coated and make them look nice. So I'm gonna drill these things out. Oh, look at that. So this piece, I didn't even realize this spring right here, you just pick up on it, that thing slides right out. Look how easy that was. No way. What? No way. Oh man, that makes everything a lot easier, so that's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Awesome. Alright, so I went ahead and dropped all that stuff off at Powder Coating today. Meant to record everything I dropped off and I completely forgot. I am extremely tired today. But anyway, I'm going to be replacing the window seals on the vent windows. I've never done it before, never watched a video on it. It seems simple enough. I doubt it's that simple, so you guys are gonna do it for the first time with me. So I don't know how it's gonna go. I might have to watch a video. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it and try to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, so once you get this nut off, basically what you got going on here, since I didn't show it well on the other one, you got a nut, a collar for the nut, spring, a washer, and you got a bushing, and then you have another bushing and another like washer type thing, keeps it from, I don't know exactly what that thing does in there. I'm assuming it keeps it from spinning too much, but that's what you got there. So that's how this assembly comes apart. There's a little screw right here that holds this piece in, and there's also a rivet that holds it in. So you need to drill the rivet out, pull that screw out, that'll loosen the top. Then you come over here, you drill these two rivets out, that'll pop that loose, pull this up, and then you just have two more rivets down here, and then this whole piece comes off of this long bar. Go ahead and draw out these 4 holes, and that's for the seal that the window actually slides and sits against. You got 4 rivets in there that you gotta drill out, so drill those out, that piece come off, and you got the other 2 to take this piece off, and then it's completely apart. Alright, so then once you have those 4 holes drilled, you got this one, and then this whole blade piece will come off. And now I guess you don't need to take it down. If you don't want to repaint that or anything, you don't have to. I'm going to, just because I'm this far, I might as well do it. It's got some rust on here, so I might as well just get it all redone, so that way it's good to go. There you go. Just carefully pry up on it, comes right off. So that way this whole thing can get painted. I can clean this up and then put this back on there. Big old. Just get these off to the side. And I'm going to take that one off because I didn't do it. Once again, I don't know if you guys can kind of see this, but right inside of here, there's a little lip. If you get a pry or a screwdriver or something just right under it, just grab the edge of it, start trying to kind of slowly pry up on it. Takes a little bit of finesse. So if you get a little pair of channel locks, kind of just grab the edge of it. Little screwdriver to pop right off. And then once you put it on, you just have to clamp that back down. But took it out nice. So that's really all you gotta do. Just set it back up there. Put this one back over here. So yeah, now all these windows are taken apart and everything's ready to go. I'll probably get this painted, this powder coat, not paint, powder coated, black. I might do this just because I have it out. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Clean it up first and see what it does. This doesn't need to be because you won't be able to see any of this. So, and then once I get it back, I'll clean these out real quick, and then once I get all this stuff back, that stuff I dropped off today, he said it'd be about, I don't know, 2 weeks or so. So hopefully, I'm gonna probably go drop those off tomorrow, so that way you can do them all at the same time. And then when I get back, I'll put them back together and send them off to the side. Hopefully by then, I have stuff going back together, hopefully. So we'll see. But that'll be it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching and staying tuned and learning. Hopefully you learned a little something from taking this apart. I know I did, because I've never done it before. So be sure to come back for the next one, because we got a lot of cool stuff coming up for this. So it'll be really neat. So I will see you guys on the next one.